The second topic I'm going to discuss with you is the crop adaptation, which has three parts. These are the morphological adaptation, physiological adaptation, and biochemical adaptation. So first is the morphological adaptation, exemplified by the presence of metamorphosed or specialized organs which performs non-typical function. Morphological adaptation is a structural change which gives an organism a greater chance of survival in its habitats. Example is the pneumatophores or modified roots of certain trees growing in marshes, which serves as breathing organs. And I'll show you some picture of morphological adaptation. Morphological adaptation is specialized root structures that grow out from the water surface and facilitate the aeration necessary for root respiration in hydrophytic trees such as many of mangroves species. The second one is physiological adaptation, exemplified the closing of stomates of many bromeliads during the day to help conserve water, as well as the abscission of leaves in deciduous plants to reduce the evaporative surface area, thereby conserving moisture and lowering of compensation point. A metabolic or physiologic adjustments within the cell or tissues of an organism is response to an environmental stimulus resulting in the improved ability of that organism to cope with its changing environment. Example of this is the formation of poisons for defense on the cactus plants. The third one is the biochemical adaptation. It is the changes with some bearing on certain survival mechanisms such as the increase in proline and abscisic acid and osmolytes in plants during period of moisture stress to regulate increased water holding capacity of tissues for moisture, as well as tomatal closure to conserve water. So, what is proline? Proline is an organic acid closed as proteinogenic amino acid, although it does not contain the amino group negative NH2 but is rather a secondary amine. What are the main roles of proline? The functions of proline include helping form collagen, regenerating cartilage, forming connective tissue, repairing skin damage and wounds, healing the gut lining, and repairing joints. So what is abscisic acid? Is a plant hormone which promotes leaf detachment, induces seed and bud dormancy, and inhibits germination. And what is osmolytes? Plants are sessile organisms which encounter a variety of stresses at every developmental stage of their life. These inactive metabolites or inert solutes are known as osmolytes because of their important function in combating osmotic stress caused by salinity and high metal level stresses.